So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to edit 4K footage on any type of machine, either it's a Mac or a PC. What are proxies? Proxies is a way of editing offline. So there's two things you're going to need for this. One, Adobe Premiere, and two, Adobe Media Encoder. So let's jump into Adobe Premiere and I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Open up Adobe Premiere. We already have it open. So if you're editing in 4K, you want to open up a 4K timeline. So what you want to do is go to File, New Sequence. Go to, if you don't have it here, you have to go to Settings and then create your own, which we already did. This is a 4096 by 2160. And then once we do that, we have all of our clips. So once we create our 4K timeline, we have to go to File, Project Settings, General, Ignes Settings, and then yours is going to be unclicked. So you want to click this and then go to Create Proxies. And then from here, you want to go to the GoPro Synform, then hit OK. And then once you get your footage, you drop it into your little bin here. And then once you drop your footage in, Adobe Media Encoder is going to pop up, and then they're going to slowly create a proxy clip for you. And then once you see the check mark, that means it's done. And then you can go and put your clip in there. And then so your proxy isn't actually on right now. So to toggle that, you might have to go to here, and then you'll see that little button somewhere in here. So it's right here. So you want to toggle that, and then you click that and you bring it into your window. So now this is still our 4K footage. You can tell it's a little laggy. So what you want to do is toggle your proxy, and now it's going to downgrade it into the 720p Synform proxy that we created in the beginning. And then now your footage is going to be buttery smooth. You can do whatever you want. You can even do a speed, and then you can even create an adjustment layer. You know, add a quick little color correction. And usually some computers can't really handle this, but because we're creating a proxy, it'll be able to handle it. Super smooth. So what you're previewing right now is not an actual 4K video. It's the downgrade 720p Synform. So now to preview your when you're done editing and you want to export it, you have to untoggle the proxy, and now you got your 4K footage. But see, it's a little slow. So what you want to do is toggle that proxy, and then you get super buttery smooth. Go to File, Export Media, and then you just export to whatever frame size, whatever you would like, if you want to downgrade it to HD or whatever. So that is how you use proxies in Premiere Pro. Just remember to untoggle your proxy when you want to export your footage, otherwise you're not going to have a 4K video. If you have any questions, let me know. We'll see you guys in the next video.